Hey guys, manufacturer sent me this replacement hot tub and spa filter here, just so I could do an unboxing for you and let you know what I think about the overall quality of it. So I'll go ahead and open it up. You can see this is the actual package that it comes in here. And then inside of it, it has the actual filter housing, and then it's wrapped in another plastic bag. So rip that open. And then here's the actual filter housing itself. So I've seen some of these replacement pieces that I've bought for my pools and things like that, and hot tubs, and you can see a lot of times they get like the plastic molding on them that's not very great. Um, you have like straggling pieces left over. This one here actually looks pretty good. I don't see any signs of like I said, those leftover burrs or anything. So and that just pops out like this. So I don't know if you saw or not. So this piece on the bottom here, let me see, I'll snap this back together. And this piece on the bottom, that's what holds it together. Just screw it, and that keeps the lid on. Unscrew this, and then you can pull the housing off, and then put your replacement filter in there, and then attach this part, is what will screw to your spa, your back end there. So, oops. But yeah, so it feels like it's really nice plastic. Again, the mold of it seems really good. So, I mean, in terms of quality, I think it's a good option.